Casper and friends go to the zoo. Casper and Daisy were at home discussing what to play. They had already ran, fetched, and dug that day. I'm bored now, Daisy. What do you want to do? I know, said Daisy. Let's go to the zoo. Out the door they both went and straight up the street. Little did they know just who they would meet. As they ran down the path, Casper saw something lay down by some stairs. He was small and black and had curly hairs. The small pooch jumped up with a mighty big smile. "Hello, my lovelies! I'm Crumpet, and I've been here a while." "Well, we are Daisy and Casper, and we're off to the zoo, and if you like you can come along, too." So off they went down the road, running with glee, with their new friend Crumpet, turning their two into three.